The Audi A5 is a luxury compact car that blends performance, comfort, and advanced technology. It is available in different body styles, including the coupe, sportback, and cabriolet. Here's a detailed look at the key features and specifications. Engine and performance. Engines. The Audi A5 offers various engine options, including turbocharged 4-cylinder and V6 engines, depending on the trim level and model year. 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder produces around 190 to 265 horsepower. 3.0-liter V6 in higher trims like the S5 and 5 rupees can generate up to 444 horsepower in the S5. Transmission. 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, with some models offering manual transmission options. Drive type. Audi's signature Quattro all-wheel drive is standard on most models, providing better traction and handling. Design and interior. Exterior. The A5 features a sleek, athletic design with a bold grille, sharp lines, and a coupe-like silhouette, especially in the coupe and cabriolet versions. Interior. The cabin is refined with high-quality materials, advanced technology, and a comfortable seating arrangement. It typically includes leather upholstery, a large touchscreen infotainment system, and a customizable digital cockpit. Cargo space. The Sportback offers the most cargo space due to its hatchback design, while the coupe and cabriolet have more limited trunk space. Technology. Infotainment system. The A5 typically features Audi's MMI touch interface, with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and an optional virtual cockpit display. Some models also come with a larger touchscreen and enhanced navigation systems. Safety features. Standard safety features include Audi Pre-Sense collision warning, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and parking sensors. Higher trims may include additional driver assistance features, performance and handling. Suspension. Most A5 models come with a suspension system designed for both comfort and agility, with available adaptive damping for a smoother ride. Driving modes. Audi offers various driving modes, such as comfort, dynamic, and auto, to tailor the driving experience to the driver's preferences.